Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 个. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读个 个 First time 个 Very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写撇捺树个 is the measure word for the most noun. It's a very common one, so we can say 一个人 one person. We know in English you directly use number plus noun, but in Chinese you need to say number plus the measure word and noun. And the measure word is very hard for everybody to remember, so if you forget, use 个 is a common one. So we say 一个桌子 one table. 一个杯子 one cup. Can you tell me what kind of noun you think can use the measure word 个? Comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.